The hotel owner taught me the secret to keeping the bathrooms always clean and fragrant. Once you start using this tip, you will never have problems with cleaning your bathroom. Very easy and practical. I'm sure the owner of the hotel really used this mix. The bathroom was just spotless in cleanliness. To start today's tip, we will use a lime, being ideal to cut small slices. The acidity contained in the lime is what makes this tip more effective than conventional products used daily. As soon as we cut the lime, we will reserve. Now in a container, we will add 500 milliliters of detergent. Do not worry about the amount, because this mixture yields a lot, and you will be able to use for a long time. Next, I will add 150 milliliters of disinfectant. You can put the aroma of your preference. You will bring the fragrance, smell that your bathroom needs. Now we will mix very well. We will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. The decreasing action is what will directly assist in the removal of stains. With this, we will have our mixture ready to facilitate the application and also in the yield of the product. We will use a bottle. Here I am using the same detergent for our mixture. The ideal then is the use of the lime slices that we cut previously. Only with the consistency of the product can we already notice the difference from conventional products. To pass the mixture to the bottle, I will use a funnel directly, avoiding the waste of the mixture. Then just cap the bottle, and our product is ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sheila Larumo from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For sure you will love this mixture. I myself use in all items of my bathroom, and even in the kitchen. After I started using this mixture, the cleaning in my house became more practical and simple for application. I put the product directly into the toilet. The amount of use is at your discretion. Only a small amount is enough. This product yields a lot. To scrub, just use the toilet brush itself. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.